Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about Japanese particles. Okay, here we go. Number 1, ni. The first meaning it means at or in somewhere. Ie ni imasu means at home. Number 2, 8 o'clock. For example, asa 6時に起きます means get up at 6 in the morning. Number 3, it also means frequency. 1ヶ月に3回運動します means 1 month 3 times doing sports means frequency. This is third meaning. Number 4, give something to someone, buy something for someone, or call somebody. 母に花を買います buy flower for mom. 母に電話をかけます means call your mom. Number 5, the reason to do something. 家へ帰りにお金取ります means go back home and get the money. This is the reason you go back home. So we can use ni. This is 5 meaning for ni. Then next, the first meaning is the place that action occurred. 会社で働きます means you work as a company. Number 2, by means, method, or materials. 自転車で学校に行きます means go to school by bike. Number 3, under circumstances. 2人で仕事をやってくれる means the two of you, can you do this job for me? We can use that 2人で1人で3人で Next one, all. All is always used after objective, like ご飯を食べました means already have meals after the objective. All. Next one, no. No, the most popular meaning means belong to, someone's. 私の妹も卒業しました means my sister already graduated. No, belong to. Next one, A. I means the direction to. 後で病院へ行きます means I will go to the hospital later. A. Next one, mo. Mo means to also as well. 私も日曜日休みたいです means I want to be off on Sunday also. Mo, also to. Next one, to. And or with. 友達と一緒に買い物をします means I will go shopping with my friends. To means and, with. Next one, ka. It always uses the end of interrogative sentences, but when you heard, it's pronounced ga. 今日は何がやれましたか What did you do today? Or you can also use it for all questions. It means all. 図書館は近いですか遠いですか Library is near or far? Which one? Next one, だけど. だけど means but, however. 肉が美味しいだけど少し食べる方がいい It means the meat is tasty but you better eat less. だけど however, but. Next one, だけ. だけ means only. 1週間が1日だけ休みます means 1 week, 1 day only, off. Next one, より. より means than, compare. 彼女が私より背が高くなりました means she is taller than me. Compared to me, she is a taller one. より. Next one, よ. yo and ne people always confused. So yo means you want to tell others the thing they don't know. Mo shiteru means I already know it, no need to tell. Yo. Then the last one is ne. Ne means you hope others to agree with your opinion. いい天気ですね means you want others to agree the weather is good.